Blue, clean the boat. Smell it. Love it. Do not. Don't you pee on that boat. There's a lot of pressure in here. Okay, got my $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? Okay, intro, I guess. I just recorded the intro for these 2 boats, so you should have already seen it. If not, you know, click something. Go check it out. I hope he's in there and didn't jump out. Anyway, we are going to start cleaning the boat. So I'm gonna put you up on a tripod and you'll see me go through all this stuff, throw stuff, find stuff. I might find something cool. Probably not, but who knows? Maybe you'll see Blue running around until he annoys me and I'll have to throw him back inside. All right. That should be a good intro, right? Roll it. There you are. Stay there. Stay in the boat. Blue. He's running away. Look at him. He's gonna pee on the tires, I bet. Do you see what I see? Oh, I'm gonna fall. Yeah. That's pretty much the whole boat. There's that cat. You see him? Right through the rails. Alright. I'm gonna go get him. Here we go. We are not running a dedicated mic because, as you guys all know, or you may not, because we edited it out pretty good. The mic that I usually have, what happens is freaking I touch it and it blips out, goes crack, 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 crack. So we're just gonna use the GoPro and the Media Mod mics that are on it. They're pretty good, but when I'm like down and away, you're not gonna hear me as well, so. Okay. We're gonna do half an inventory and half of throwing shit out. Clamps, we need these clamps, because Dave took those off for me. Oh, I should not talk, I should just work. So we can just do like a fast forward type deal. Broke that. Damn it. Alright, we're gonna have to do something about this whole thing. It doesn't work great anyway. Look, I have a plant growing in my seat. It just pulled the screws right out of it. The wood in these seats is rotted. Okay, so I have the seats from the Jeep, and I also have another set of seats like that. Of course, they're car seats, you know, they recline and whatever. But write down in the comments if you think I can use these base plates on those car seats and then just run those for the weekend temporarily, I guess. Whoa! Okay. I'm fairly certain this is supposed to be attached. And here's all the screws. Okay, if you want to know what the boat looked like before, these cushions are still good. We just got to clean them up. That's what we should have done. We should have taken the cushions off the boat and shoved them under there and then just covered the engine. Why I have an O2 sensor socket in here, I have no idea. And it was brand new in the package. This won't get us very far. I think this was a sandwich. Steering wheel? Hey! Maybe we don't need that other steering wheel after all. Whoa! Whoa! We'll fall through the boat! See? You can sit it. Oh. Whoa. No, that's rotted. What about this side? This side's solid. That side's rotted, I guess because of the rain. you know, came down in here this way. Hey, there's the lights I need for the trailer. I got lots of stainless hardware. All right, what's in the box? A coil that is leaking oil. And a pair of pliers. Okay, this will be a testament to Ride in the Rain. What do we got here? Registration stickers. Okay, so this is wet. This has been wet. But look at it. It's still usable. Oh, this is how I have my workout stuff on here. Only 2 pages. And we have the Ride in the Rain pens. I bet you this works. This is a pencil. So I know. That's why I always carry a pencil, because pencils always work. Nice. Okay. I don't know where the new tags are I bought, but I know this thing doesn't expire until 2022. This is the remote to my crappy stereo. I hate that thing. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Jason's Deli? Oh. That had to be in there for 3 years. I did keep the boat clean. Interior cleaner. Sunglasses. Oh, a mister. In case you get hot. Spray this on you. Bilge plug. Can't have too many of these. What's that saying? 1 is none and 2 is 1. Toilet paper. Almost survived. Almost. If I would have double bagged it, it probably would have survived. This fire extinguisher is still good. I'm curious what's in here. Oh, I think this is one of those, like, fold out sleeping bag pillow type deal. So when you break down in the middle of the lake and you gotta sleep it off. Because then you'll get in trouble for not having lights. LED lights. This ski I never use. This ski always gets used. Okay. Soft right here. Definitely, you know, we know that's messed up. I think my fuel tank's right here. Alright, now let's see what we got in this engine bay. More bumpers. Power steering fluid. Brand new oil filter, but you can't tell it's brand new. Guessing this goes to a prop. Brake cleaner, WD-40. Glass cleaner. See, I cleaned this boat. Doesn't look like it. Look at that tub of towels. Are they any good? Oh, they're still good. Wow, that's amazing. That bracket goes somewhere. Okay, we won't really mess with that side because that's all, I'm already working on that. It's all my batteries and stuff. There's screws and stuff in there that are half rusted. Those panels I pulled out, they go on the sides here. Now, what I'm thinking about doing, okay, and you can tell me if I'm crazy or not, but I'm thinking about redoing all the interior because it's got to get redone anyway. So I'm thinking about reconfiguring the way it is. So my thought is, I put a regular seat right here, like a regular, you know, boat captain seat, that the same thing that was there, okay? But then right behind it, we'll have this as a bench. It'll come out, and come down. And then it'll come all the way back. And I'm thinking about cutting it in to our compartment. It'll kind of slide back in here and then cut into the compartment, so you can kind of, you know, you kind of sit down in there, right? And then this will be, and you'll be, I guess, like this, you know, so a full person can sit right there. This wall will be the same, except cooler maybe, or a storage compartment for a cooler that comes here and down, or we just let it come all the way in, and then this be completely flat, so this is open right here. Okay, same thing over here, cut it in, you know, just enough to get like another seat on this side, and then the bench on this side I want it to go all the way across. So see if you can visualize this. This will be a seat, you know, back right here. This still comes here down, and we can either build it out for a cooler, or we can make it flat and just put like a couple cup holders in here or something, have that go in, and then this will be a complete bench all the way across here, all the way to all the way up here. Okay, so no captain's chair right here. And then we can either have some of these cushions removable, and then just have like a single door here to get in, or like leave the bench, but this cushion can come out, and then you have a little more space to get in, and then somehow do a different door right here. Or maybe we can do like a pocket door that slides. I'll probably have it slide that way towards the cockpit, you know, the pocket door slides out like that. I can probably do that. Tell me what you think about that. Obviously we're not going to do that this weekend. This weekend we're just going to put some towels on the seats, clean everything up, get all the dirt and everything. I'm about to get the vacuum and start vacuuming all the stuff up. And but for the future, you know, like next spring or this winter, start building new panels and, you know, changing it up a little bit. My only hesitation is I kind of want to have an upright come right here. Maybe that's removable, so when it's just two people, you can kind of sit right here and still kind of look out. I don't know, figure it out. Let's get the vacuum. We're gonna turn this vacuum on, start doing some stuff. Okay, so that's the bulk of the stuff. I'm debating whether I should just rip this carpet up. I do have some carpet I can put in here, so if I rip it up, it's not that big of a deal. I can put some of the new stuff down, but I kind of want to see where I should place. I think I need to at least cut out the rotted section and put some good plywood down so we can at least mount the seats. You hear that? All right, I'm gonna pull this up because I'm pretty sure this is the fuel tank, and then I'm gonna pull that one up, and I don't remember what that one is, and take a look-see. fuel tank and the sender. So what is this one? Okay, that looks like the pickup for the fuel tank that goes to the engine. So my fuel tank is like from here, I guess it's all the way in the center. All right. You figured if you were going to put a patch panel on, you would at least stain it or something. Seeing how the carpet is already missing right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just rip this up. Now I feel like I did all that vacuuming for nothing. I don't really think this thing's attached at all. I guess the only thing that's really gonna mess me up is the wires. Oh no! Oh, it's all rotted. All of that's rotted. Found that sunscreen we were missing. I got wires on both sides. It can be hard to manipulate this thing. These brown wires should be the old speaker wires. I should be able to just take these out. I'm gonna cut them. Now this is part of the project where it gets dangerous. You start ripping up too much where you can't get it back together in a timely manner. And I feel like I have to just cut, pull that out, and I can swing this out of the way. Oh, don't have enough wire to go very far. Ugh. Stay. There's the carpet. Look at all this. So this center section is definitely rotted on this side by the engine. This is rotted right here. And you can tell that one. Oh my gosh. It's rotted all the way through. There's that missing can brake clean. It's almost full. We're not just gonna watch me sit here and look at this. I'm gonna come up with a plan. All right, battery died. We're running out of daylight. It looks like I'm floating on the boat. Oh, hey look, we're skiing. Anyway, I just want to say that's pretty much gonna be all for today's episode. I might go start ripping out stuff in the other boat. But the mosquitoes are gonna be out here real soon, and I'm gonna eat them alive. So I'll see you guys next time.